What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding square roots, and we have some mixed practice questions. First one is for root 12x to the power of 5 times 2 root 6x cubed. Answer is 4 times 2, 8, and then you have root 12 times 6, so it's going to be 12 is 6 times 2, it's going to be 6 times 2 times 6 times x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 3 is going to be x to the power of 8, so which will be 8 times root 6 root 2 root 6 root x to the power of 8, so it will be 8 times 6 times root 2 times square root of x to the power of 8 is x to the power of 4. So will be 48 x to the power of 4 root 2. Next example is root 29 square. Answer is root 29 times root 29 will be just 29. Next example is negative 4 root 17 times negative 3 root 17. Answer is negative 4 times negative 3 is going to be positive 12. Root 17 times root 17 is going to be just 17. 12 times 17 is going to be 204. Next example is negative 4 plus root 17 times negative 3 plus root 17. So as you see here, that's different from what we have here. So negative 4 times negative 3 is going to be positive 12. Negative 4 times root 17 is negative 4 root 17. Then you have negative 3 root 17. Then you have root 17 times root 17 is going to be 17. 29 minus 7 root 17. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.